All right, let's check out some Reddit relationship advice. Upstairs, Butterfly64 writes, my girlfriend 28F and I, 30M, have been together for 2 years. Things were fun at first, but things have been kinda stale lately. It's gonna be about sex, isn't it? I've told my girlfriend in the past that sex is important to me in a relationship. Told you. I know it's not everything, but I like to have fun. Okay, you know what? That's honestly a pretty mature relationship perspective. It's something that you want, but you also want more. And over time, it's become less and less. And that happens. I think a lot of us know that. For months, my girlfriend has been asking me to propose. While I do love her, I can't propose yet until I know we'll have a fully happy marriage. This idea of a fully happy marriage can sort of mean two things. On the one hand, it can be this expectation of perfection that is not realistic. We want to be careful with that one because a lot of people have this sense of somehow once you get married, you've got this super great happy thing going on, and that's just not true. A good marriage is a fruitful, meaningful one, and it will have its ups and downs. But let's see what else. Yesterday, I found a note on her phone that had a list of all the guys she slept with and ranking everyone. And one of her exes had the highest ranking, and when I asked her about it, she admitted he gave her the best orgasms. And I was already feeling like our sex life was rocky, and now I found this out and I'm not sure how to feel. So here's the thing. When it comes to our sexual relationship, on the one hand, it is true that for many, many couples, that becomes a little less and less over time. But it doesn't mean that it has to get worse and worse. And in a healthy relationship, this is something that can be communicated and worked on. So the things that stand out for me in this case are, one, what is this list about? What does it actually mean for this particular person? Why does she still have it? Does it hold some sort of value? And I'd be less concerned about the position on that ranking than the fact that it's not being talked about. Because sex for most people is about a number of things. It's about the physical pleasure, but also about play, about being vulnerable together, and what is going on that isn't happening in the same way for the two of you as it was for her and this other guy. And is it something that you both prioritize? And if so, prioritize it. And if it's not a priority for both of you, well, then that's another conversation to have as well.